Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial of Gosign. Today we're going to talk about how to output a file to our cutter. You will see that there are a couple of ways to do this. First of all, we're going to start by adding a cutter inside the software. It's very important to do so, otherwise you won't be able to output your file in general. So we go to Devices and we click on New Cutter. You will see a pop-up screen appears where the software is already automatically searching for possible available cutters. You will see here that we have two available cutters at our disposal, and we are gonna select the cutter, the S1D140FX, which is connected to my computer. You see it's connected by USB. If it's connected through the Ethernet through your company, it's also available, of course. We can give it a name as well, so I'm gonna call it S1D140FX, and we press OK. You see now that the cutter is available. Next, of course, before we can output, we need to import a job inside Gosign. We already saw this in a previous tutorial. So we go to Import and we select our file. Perfect. You see already at the right hand side the layers. Our cutter is selected, which is important. Otherwise we won't be able to output our file. You can select the material that you want to cut and then the sub material, vinyl or vinyl with application tape. We loaded here regular vinyl, so we select this one. And then you can see as well your correct layers. So we have one kiss cut layer and then one true cut layer. So job is loaded in, and now we want to output. So how do we do this? At our left part of our screen we have the tab Action Sets, and we already used the import file, but there are also another action set which is called Output to Roll, and if we click on this action set, you will see that we go to a next screen where we already see a preview of our job, and then with some last settings that you can set up. First of all, a segmentation, on or off, and this is a smaller job, so we can do it in one time. You can call the number of jobs that you have, or the copies per job over here. You can change the copies. You see some extra settings appear on the screen where you can autofill, so letting the software decide on how to nest your jobs. Then we have the number of copies and width. If we have two copies and we have both them in width, it's possible to set that over here. If you select we have no copies in width and you leave it on one, the software will automatically know that the copies are directed in length position. And then you can specify the length between the copies as well. If you already do an update preview, you will see that now the two copies are placed in length direction. For now we only have one. You can add tiling option as well in weed box to peel it off easier, but we are to cut through here, so that's not really necessary. If it's important that you start cutting relative to your origin, that's where you can cross it over here. And on end of job you can choose as well to feature job length. It's not really a choice, the software is going to do it automatically, but you can choose your feed margin. So now it's set on 1 centimeter. After your job you can also choose to cut off your job, so you can start with a clean media for your next job. And then there is an option preload as well, where you perform a preload first before you start cutting, and then you can define the amount of preload you want. If you change any settings, it's always ask you to update preview again, so you will see everything how it looks like. And when everything is set up according to your own wish, then you can press run. Job will be sent to the cutter and is cut out. So that's way number one. This goes for cut only jobs as well as for print and cut jobs as we have here. Okay. The next one is but direct output. It's an action set at the left part of our screen as well. But this works also in another way, a more direct way out of CorelDRAW. So to show you, we first go to the General tab, where you see some plugin settings. We already saw these plugins also in previous tutorials, like how to import a file, but now we want to output directly from CorelDRAW. So we select the plugin Direct Output. We can close this tab, so you can see it's not this file that is going to be outputted. And then we go to CorelDRAW. You see here, I have already my job. I can add some stuff in it as well. Let's say rectangle, also under the Kiscut layer. And now it's possible to output directly this job from CorelDRAW to the cutter. And to do so, we have here at the top an plugin icon sent to Gosign, and if we will click on this one, you will see the job is automatically will be loaded in Gosign, but will be already start cutting on our roll cutter. So you see, I click the plugin, job is getting imported in Gosign. We go immediately to the output screen, and my job is getting cut on the roll cutter. So very fast way. The only thing is that you need to be absolutely sure that your job is correctly designed in CorelDRAW or Illustrator, so that there are no issues with your job. That's another way of outputting. If I would now click Direct Output in my Action tab, it will output exactly this, the same job, even if I close just this active job now and Gosign. It will remember my last outputted job. To prove to you, I'll click here Direct Output again, and you see it's exactly the same job that is getting output. For now, I'm pressing cancel. Okay, these are the two common ways of outputting a file. If you have unlocked the Pro Pack, then we have some other options as well. So the Pro Pack is something extra to the software. It gives you additional possibilities to optimize your workflow in a more automatic way. First of all, if you have unlocked the Pro Pack, it's possible for you to use barcodes, so the barcode workflow. It's already underneath my action set. If you have unlocked the Pro Pack but you don't see the action sets already here, then it's very easy to do. So we go underneath and you click on this icon, and this is basically importing an action set, and then you will get redirected to the folder action sets underneath the Summa Gosign folder, where you can see the Opus barcode workflow on roll. You can select it and then open it. You see there are also some other action sets, but this is for the barcode workflow on roll. First of all, very important, if you click on it, it will automatically search for the barcode. It will scan the barcode and it will automatically start cutting as well. But very important with this action set, if we click right mouse button, you will see that we can adapt the action set. This counts for every possible action set, so you can customize your action sets to your own wishes. But very important, if we go to import job, it's necessary that you select the barcode functionality in here, the barcode reader as well, the Opus. But the most important thing is that you select your directory where all your barcode files are stored. It's important that you have one separate folder for all your barcode files, so that the software only need to search in that specific folder. If you don't select a folder in here, it won't open your barcode files. So I already selected my folder. I press OK. If you now click the Opus barcode action set, you will see it already starts looking, but first you have to activate the barcode on your roll cutter. To do so, I refer to the manual, but then it will start searching for the barcode, will start scanning, and will start cutting automatically. For now, I'll press cancel, but that's how the barcode workflow works. Then, as last, we also have the hot folder functionality. Also only possible when you have unlocked the Pro Pack. And the difference between the Opus barcodes is that the hot folder functionality is an automated workflow, but only for cut-only jobs. So where the Opus barcodes works for print and cut jobs, the hot folder functionality is only for cut jobs. So same thing again, we right click on this action set, we go again to the import job action, and here with import mode, now it's important to specify the hot folder functionality. Again, it asks us to select our directory, so it's a folder with all your cut jobs you want to do. You select it and you press OK as well. Then, if we press the hot folder functionality, it will start finishing the jobs inside that folder. Once one job is done, he automatically goes to the next job. So there is no interference necessary anymore from an operator. So we click hot folder, it imports immediately the first job, starts cutting, then it will feed the job length and it will start cutting the next job, and so on and so on. So now the first job is already cut, and it will skip to the next one. So I will, you see in here, automatically load in the other job, only a kiss cut job now, and as it will continue just like that. So these are the 4 ways to output a job inside Gosign. I hope you learned something, and see you with the next tutorial. Bye bye.